Alrighty guys, this is an exciting video. We got another Cooking with Aeolus. Today I'm going to be making Spam pizza and ham pizza. Two of my good friends, their username online is those two foods. So we're going to be cooking them today and see if their username passes the taste test. But first, we need to learn the history of the pizza. Hey guys, welcome to the history of pizza. This is, here it is. Back in 1662, there was an Englishman named Caesar. He was from Greece, and he came to Italy, modern-day Istanbul, and what he did was he sailed on a ship all the way to Russia, and there he saw them eating unleavened bread, naan kind of thing, and it had, God, there's so many bugs, and it was like garlic and butter and good spices on it, and he was like, I'm gonna use this, but it needs something more. And so from there on, he sailed all the way over to what is now America, because, he needed to get the spices from India. And then that was Christopher Columbus. And then from there, pizza became a modern day delicacy, So yeah, that's it. Welcome to Cooking with Aeolus. Today I'm making Spam and ham pizza. So let's get started. The ingredients is a Red Baron deep dish mini pizza, 2 of them to be precise. We got some Spam right here, and then we got some deli meat, some deli ham for the ham pizza. So let's plate our ingredients first. So let me open up the Spam. Perfect. Hopefully it'll just, nope, it's not gonna come out. Okay. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Look at that, canned meat right there. It's one of a kind. So, okay, I'm gonna prepare the Spam and the ham. I'm going to saute the ham, well, kind of saute, not really. Just kind of cook it so it's not quite deli meat. It's just a little bit more nice and gourmet, and then we'll do a similar thing for the Spam. Alrighty, so we got, as you can see, the ham and the Spam cooked right here. I added a little garlic and onion powder on top and some salt on this. And Spam really does not need seasoning because it's already very salty, so I didn't really do anything with that. And then a little butter for both, just to brown it a little bit, give it a nice texture. So we got the 2 pizzas right here. They're 4-cheese blend, as it were. And then it says microwave oven. Yeah, we're using the microwave. We just sauteed, we're microwaving it. Remove pizza from carton. Remove overwrap from silver tray pizza. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Okay. So, we're gonna open these. There we go, that's 1. Look how scrumptious that looks. Okay, here's 2. Now, we're gonna put them in the oven, or the microwave for 3 minutes. Okay, perfect. Alrighty, we got our pizzas prepared. Look how, wait, is that even cooked all the way? No, it's not. Hold on, 30 more seconds. Alrighty, we got it. We got it prepared. Okay, make sure the plate's not too hot because you don't want to be dropping your pizzas. Okay, it's cooked that time. We got the ham, we got the Spam. Now we got to make the Spam pizza. We're gonna start with the ham pizza, however, to keep you viewers watching. What? Oh God, that's hot. Don't burn yourself, probably. Okay. There. Okay, we're gonna cut it into 4 pieces, like I learned when I worked the night shift at Domino's. We got that. Okay, perfect. I actually should have put the ingredients on first. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, here's the ham. We're gonna just kind of put it on. I don't know. This is Pizza Crafting 101. And then you eat an ingredient. Quality assurance is good. Okay, we got that. What am I doing? Okay. Oh, we're fine. Okay, we got Spam pizza now. Here it is. We're gonna put it on first and be smart. There we go, boom, Spam pizza. Delicious. Let's take the silver thing off. Once again, did the things in the wrong order. Should have taken this. Oh, my world is crumbling as I know it. Oh, God. Do not try this at home, kids and adults. What? Why is this on there so? Oh. Okay, I got it. Goodness sakes. Okay, here we go. We got the Spam pizza. We've also got an audience. Spicy lettuce. Welcome. Okay. Got a live studio audience. Now we cut it into 4 pieces just like I learned at my night shift in Domino's. Boom. We've got the Spam pizza. And now we're going to be more careful this time. Precious goods. And there you go. We've got the ham pizza and the Spam pizza. Now stay tuned for taste testing. Welcome everyone to the latest edition of the hit TV series, Which Pizza is Better in Your Preference? Today we've got a special guest host, my sister, streamer extraordinaire, Spicy Lettuce. So we got today, here we go, we've got a ham pizza and we've got a Spam pizza.
All right.
And you're gonna try each one, and then you are gonna tell me which one is good, and if the other one is good, if that one is good as well.
Okay. Are you gonna try them too?
No.
Oh, okay. It tastes like pizza with ham on it.
This is why we hired you.
All right.
She went in for a second bite. That's good news.
I'm not the biggest fan of Spam, but that was pretty good.
So, which one did you like? And if you liked it, which How much?
I don't like stuff on my pizza, like ever. But the ham was a solid 7 out of 10, and that was my favorite.
Oh God! And the Spam pizza. Did you like the Spam pizza?
Well, I like the Spam pizza. It was a 6 out of 10.
Okay, thank you, Libby. Round of applause from the studio audience. Okay. Welcome back to, well, wait. No, okay, I'm gonna try the pizzas. We're gonna see if they're any good. We're gonna start with the ham pizza. Let's see. That's really good. That's really good. All right, now on to the thing everyone's been waiting for, the Spam pizza. Okay, well, no, here we go. I'm excited for this one. Here it is, everyone. Do a nice close-up of that. Cameraman, also known as my dad, thank you. Alrighty, here it is. A moment we've all been waiting for. That's the best pizza I've ever had in my life. No, I want to finish this. This is good. Well, I'm going to finish this first. Are we rolling? Oh, okay. No, sure. This is the end of the video. In conclusion, to restate my thesis, I didn't have a thesis, but this is pretty good. This is also pretty good. Spam is muy delicioso. Like and subscribe. Also, join my Discord, yeah. All right, thank you. Have a good one.